welcome back to my YouTube channel. Show here again, and today we will be doing another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by LuvMe Hair. Now today's wig is the natural black loose body wave 5x5 closure HD lace glueless mid-part long wig. Oh my god, that was such a long name. But anyways, this beauty right here, I had to definitely show you guys in real time. Now, there are some clips that are chopped off just because I was getting up to grab something quickly. And of course, I don't want to leave that in the video. But literally, it took me 15 minutes to install this wig. And this is just the basic way to install it. If you have more of a professional way, go ahead, sis, do what you want. But right now I'm just tinting my lace, and I'm using the wig extension spray, and I'm also using the Eben mousse. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I love the Eben spray, the tinting spray, but I do not like the mousse. The mousse is very hard to work with because it actually does not, I don't know, I think my pump is defected, but it does not pump out mousse. It literally pumps out liquid, and it gets very messy. So the actual wig extension spray helped a lot more. But honestly, sis, if I was to recommend something to you, please go with the Eben spray. Way better. You get way more color payoff, and my spray is kind of old as well, so it's not as effective, but trust me, the install is still gonna look as good. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tint my lace. And yes, the lace is already bleached, but I feel like it's not enough for it to show, so I ended up tinting my lace because I just didn't want to use any heavy makeup or anything on this wig. I really wanted to make up for my last install that I shared with you guys, because I wasn't really feeling that one, and I really wanted to bring you guys something a lot better. But trust me, sis, this came out so bomb. So this wig has 180% density, and it also has a 5x5 parting space for you. So if you want to go ahead and part it as a side part, you can go ahead and do it. But when you get the wig, it actually already comes parted in the middle, and it almost looks like they already styled the wig for you. So sis, all you got to do is just really put this on and not do too much to it. Please don't mess the wig up, because trust me, it comes ready for you. Like, the hairline is flawless, so beautiful. I also can appreciate that the wig caps that they've been sending me lately are a little darker, because sis definitely tanned this summer, and I got tremendously dark this summer. It may not seem like that on camera, but I did tan a lot, y'all. So I'm really happy that this wig cap is a little bit darker, because I really don't have to do much. But I still tint my wig caps because, like I said, I don't like to heavily put too much stuff on it. I really want that lace and everything to just melt really flawlessly, and I will not be doing a ball cap method, so it's even more important that everything is just flawlessly, done. And I just feel like for the summertime, for some reason, the lace tends to lift a lot faster, and it also lifts a lot faster on me because I actually go to the gym, as y'all know. So that's not always fun. But take a look at that hairline. That hairline is so beautiful. The lace, let's talk about this lace, because this lace is definitely giving HD. It's actually a Swiss lace, which I have a love and hate relationship with Swiss laces, because sometimes they tend to be real rough, and it's just not fun to deal with sometimes. But I will say this lace was very soft. It was very nice. It says it's a top Swiss lace, so I don't know if that's different from the regular Swiss lace, but this Swiss lace is giving Swiss for real. Now, as far as the texture and the shedding of the hair, I actually didn't experience a lot of shedding and stuff, so that was actually pretty nice. I feel like versus the wigs that I've been trying lately, the shedding was very minimal, which is nice because I don't have to sweep up my floors or anything. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Eben spray. I love this spray so much. I tell you guys in all my videos, well, not all my videos, but my recent videos, I've been telling you guys how much I love this spray so much. I love it a lot more than the Gots to Be. Doesn't leave that white nasty residue, and it is a lot longer lasting, especially in this heat. And what I'm doing is I'm just drying the what I'm spraying on my forehead, staying away from my hairline on my forehead. I'm waiting for that to get tacky on a cool setting on my blow dryer, and then I am going to go ahead and cut this lace off. Now, I've actually been liking cutting the lace off camera because I just feel like, well, not off camera, I'm lying, off my head, my bad, because I just feel like I get a better cutting this way. Now, if you do decide to actually cut the lace on your head, I would say start in the center and then work your way either to the left side or the right side by cutting slowly, because you definitely don't want to mess up your lace. This type of wig has lace base, but as much as you can pluck, you can also mess up the lace to the point where it just won't sit right on your forehead. I'm the type of person that likes to leave a little bit of lace, especially because this wig is already pre-plucked. So I really don't have to pluck around the hairline too much or none of that. So I like to have enough lace to actually adhere to my forehead so that the wig is just sitting and it's not moving. Yes, the wig has combs in it and you can wear it glueless if you want to, but I'm the type of person that for security, I actually like to glue my lace. I also like to do that because a lot of times I put the adjustable strap on my wigs. I am small headed. This wig is a medium circumference, but I feel like this is perfect for me because I really don't braid my hair. So I need that extra space. And sometimes when I do put the adjustable straps on the back, if I do not glue my wig, the wig may slide back a little bit, depending on how greasy either my scalp is or my forehead. And I'm very oily on my skin as well. So yeah, we can't have that happening, sis. So I definitely have to glue mine on. And I just felt like this wig was just such a beautiful application. Like, it was just so easy for me to put it on. Like I said, this is a beginner's like heaven right here. Like, if you want something classy, sexy, everything, you get it in one wig, and this is definitely it. Now, if you guys see the hairline is really beautiful, but like I said, it can be plucked a little bit more if you want to. This is not an ear to ear type of thing. As you can see, there is a closure right there on the left side. You guys can kind of see that closure a little bit, but once I actually put the hair into place, you are not going to see that closure anymore. And I mean, it's very, very subtle. Like, it's not a closure that you can clearly see sitting there, which I absolutely love, because I do feel like my last install, the closure, the weft was just brolically sitting there, and that just was not fun at all. Now, to secure my wig, I do like to again spray another layer of that even spray. I like to melt it down. I will be grabbing, I think I grab my scissors later and I actually kind of like press it down, but I would say grab a comb and press that down so that the lace can actually melt. Because when I didn't do that at first, and I had like totally forgot to do that, I was just spraying my life away and I forgot to do it. But when I didn't do that, the lace wasn't like sitting all the way. So as you are blow drying the hair, go ahead and take a comb, like the end of a comb, and kind of press down on the lace so that it's adhering and melting. Now, this was the only part that actually gave me a little bit of problems. It was that right side. Well, that was actually my left side, but to you guys are seeing it on the right side where I'm actually lifting that lace. That was the only thing that was giving me problems. And again, that has nothing to do with the actual wig. It's just me more so. So when you are cutting the lace at the ends, there are like these little two tabs on each end of the lace. make sure you cut that off so that it looks a lot more neat. Also, I feel like what you can do is when you're experiencing problems with your closure or your ends, such as like right there where you guys see that, I don't know if that was because there was like extra like spray residue or what it was, but it was just giving like an awful white cast. And again, that has nothing to do with the wig, because as you guys can see, that hairline is absolutely gorgeous. But if you want to add a little something, I feel like there's nothing wrong with adding some baby hairs to the ends. But I personally like a classic hairline with no baby hairs. That's just me. I don't know. The baby hair trend is just not for me. I have always expressed this in my videos. Well, at least my videos since last year. And I'm going to keep expressing that to you guys, because I just feel like I'm not crazy about it. But as you guys can see, if you take like a very, very little out, like real short baby hairs, such as like the way that it's sitting right there, I think that that would look so pretty, because it would literally look like it's coming out of your scalp. Now, if I can say one flaw with this wig, the only thing that I would probably call out is just the over volume at the top. And it's just, you know, I feel like this wig is supposed to give bombshell. It's supposed to be that way. So while I can appreciate the density of the wig, I do feel like if somebody who is a beginner doesn't have knowledge of flattening the top of the wig, you can easily have that wig-like look if you do not flatten the top. So of course we will be flattening that top, and as you guys see, this is the very minimal plucking that I did, which was right there in the center, because I felt like I wanted to open up that parting space up a little bit, especially after putting on the even spray. I feel like sometimes hair gets in the way and stuff, and it just makes it look like the parting space is very closed off. But of course, I will be putting some powder on the parting space so that we can make that pop just a little bit more. But I feel like this wig, for me, if I can rate this wig, I would give this wig a, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. I feel like it's a very beautiful wig. It is very, very beautiful. As far as how the hair will hold up, I don't know. And I feel like that's the only thing that will probably kill it for me, because sometimes, you know, certain hair textures, like this is 100% human hair, as we know, but sometimes certain hair textures, they just don't hold up as well for some reason. So I'm hoping that this wig does hold up pretty well, because this is definitely one that I will be wearing outside. And if I say that I'm going to wear a wig outside, that means it's the bomb.com. So I definitely feel like this wig is very, very worthy of being worn out. I think she's very beautiful. She's very easy to put on. As you guys could see, I'm flattening the top because, like I said, I don't really appreciate that whole bump thing that's going on. And it's not really my foundation underneath that is making this wig sit like this. It definitely is just the volume of the wig. But there's nothing a hot comb can't fix on top. So definitely something very, very simple. Like, as you guys can see, this is an install that was done within 15 minutes. And I just think that's amazing. I went into this review knowing that this wig was going to be gorgeous, but I just didn't think that it was going to be this easy. And I just feel like it's such a perfect wig. Like, this is definitely my type of wig, my type of style. Gives glamorous, gorgeous. I feel like any age group could wear this wig and it'll look very beautiful. You could wear this wig anywhere. Look at that hairline, y'all. Like, sis, definitely flawless. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below on this wig. I'm absolutely loving it. Shout outs to LuvMe Hair for sending me this wig to review for you guys. Make sure you check them out. They got plenty of styles of wigs at affordable prices. They also do have payment plans such as SIP and Afterpay. Definitely check it out. And follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. And sis, please, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look at that. No webs. Yes. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.